In the water's embrace, acrylic sings. Colors swirl and dance as the world rethinks. Green hues blend with shades so bright. A canvas underwater, a breathtaking sight. From every drop, new life will grow. In the heart of colors, joy will flow. Life always finds its way to show. So don't lose hope, let your spirit glow. First strokes vanish as pigments disperse. In the depths of water, a painter's verse. Green and vibrant amidst the waves. In every swirl, a heart that breaks. From every drop, new life will grow. In the heart of colors, joy will flow. Life always finds its way to show. So don't lose hope, let your spirit glow. In the depths of night, colors light the way. Through the darkest waters, dawn of a new day. In every blend and shade, the story unfolds of endless hope and dreams that hold. From every drop, new life will grow. In the heart of colors, joy will flow. Life always finds its way to show. So don't lose hope, let your spirit glow. So let the acrylic sing and colors intertwine. In the depths of water where dreams align. With every shade and hue, let light shine. In a world of color, hope will always find. In the depths of night, colors light the way. Through the darkest waters, dawn of a new day. In every blend and shade, a story unfolds of endless hope and dreams that hold. In the water's embrace, acrylic sings. Colors swirl and dance as the world rethinks. Green hues blend with shades so bright. A canvas underwater, a breathtaking sight. From every drop, new life will grow. In the heart of colors, joy will flow. Life always finds its way to show. So don't lose hope, let your spirit grow.